so hungry.
You're so hungry. And
Yeah.
what will you say when you want to buy something?
This one, sige pa no order.
What you want to order?
Yeah.
No, that's not the way. You say pabili. You say pabili.
You.
You say.
You.
No, you're the one who want to buy. You say pabili.
Pabili.
Pabili po.
Pabili po.
What do you want to buy? Huh? That one? You said ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
You want ice cream? Ice cream po.
Ice cream.
Yung nasa cup. Ito pong... Baka wala akong pera.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ito pong medium. Ano pong mayroong flavor?
Cheese at choco vanilla.
Ay, what do you want? Cheese, choco, or choco vanilla?
Choco mapera.
What?
Choco mapera.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Dalawa po. Hey. Pay.
Here you go. Here you go. I'm so excited.
So, you give one to Mikel, okay?
He's so hungry too.
Mikel is hungry too.
Yeah. But he wants some. He wants.
The choco vanilla.
Yeah, he wants. He wants chocolate vanilla too. Also, Gabe.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, see, look.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Nice
And let's get to one. Let's go.
Don't run.
Daddy, are you going to sleep?
What did you say? What did you say when you want to buy something?
I'm gonna buy some ice cream.
What did you say?
On the kitchen.
Pabili po. You say pabili po.
Pabili po.
Again.
Pabili po.
What does this mean? What does it mean?
It's for buying.
It's for buying.
Yeah. Hey, cat.
You go to Mikel.